Вот тут такая хуйня в Далатинке происходит. Вот тут такая хуйня в Далатинке происходит.
Russians really can't catch a break. Swarm of Ukrainian drones struck the Millerovo military airfield in Rostov region.
Да нас туда хуй.
Ну да, где нефть вот эта вот ебаная. Ну где хранятся.
Also in Russia, partisans burned down a factory in Volgograd that was reported to have been producing black body bags for corpses of Russian soldiers. After we thought this through, maybe this was not such a good idea. Ha!
Понятное дело.
Они было затушили, а тут воды не вот ездили за водой.
А здесь база какая-то?
Офис какой-то, пакеты делали.
Пакеты делали?
Russian factory is on fire in Rostov-on-Don. Warriors of the 1307th Russian Regiment say that old, untrained Russians often come to serve in their rank. Many come simply to die at a higher cost, while others are forced by their wives. They say, at least you will be of some use. Somehow it doesn't fit with the picture of an incredibly motivated army that some are trying to paint. There is such a phenomenon. Among ourselves, we call it cardio troops or old-timers. This is when older people without proper physical training sign a contract. Somebody even says, I came here to die at a higher price. Or better yet, my wife told me to go. Like if you die, at least you will be of some use. Such a fighter does not think about the fact that he will be placed in a group, and not only his life, but the lives of his comrades will depend on his ability to run and generally cope. There are others too, who sincerely believes that all that is required of him is to sit in a trench and shoot back at the enemy. Unfortunately, these latter ones do not know that they still need to reach the position. On average, from the place where the vehicle drops you off is 3 kilometers. In uniform and with ammo, about 30 kilograms of weight. And if you can walk along the tree line, then you need to run across open places, because there are enemy birds with drops, and they never sleep, just like us. And you need to run across with all the stuff. This is where the problems begin for the old-timers, and at the same time for everyone who is with them. But why am I saying this? Our channel is not about difficulties, but about good things. This is a principled position. Don't be discouraged and carry on. There are fighters from the upper permissible age category for whom this is not the first war. They were in Afghanistan, they were in Chechnya, and now we've arrived here. A genie from our medical platoon told me about one of these. I want to share. St. Petersburg Military Tribunal sentenced a civilian couple to 3.5 years in prison for placing leaflets on the shelves of a grocery store with writing, Putinyaku na Gilyaku, which is a play on words Putin to the guillotine. Anastasia Dudyaeva and Alexander Dotsenko. Russian fascist State Duma parliament member Mikhail Matveev got beaten up in Samara.
Смотри, чтобы они тебя не побили. Так, ребята, остановились! 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 Стоять, сука! Стоять, пидоры! Фу, блядь. Я не добегу, молодежь. Нихуя, въебал, что ли?
Gas station masquerading as a country is out of gasoline. Krasnodar, Zaporizhia direction, a Russian BMP-2 meets a TM-62 anti-tank mine. Game over. In Donetsk region, the Russian army is advancing to the most important highway between Pokrovsk and Kostiantynivka. Cutting the highway means huge losses in logistics for the Ukrainian armed forces, as it is the only way near the front line. The 47th Separate Mechanized Brigade, Magura, is holding these lines, and the Bradley infantry fighting vehicle crew is repelling Russian assaults on the mentioned area.
І підривались, і різно було.
Це не перша ваша машина?
Ні, ні.
Серйозно?
Ні. Я загубив декілька. Да. Ну, не спеціально. Як то, щоб не машина, то Архангел вже не один раз би зустрічав би.
Зараз Олег воює на одному із найгарячіших напрямків на фронті. Бригада тримає оборону на Покровському напрямку. Після взяття Авдіївки російська армія намагається тут просуватися.
За рахунок кількості. Ну і вони, на мій погляд, вони концентрують десь в одному місці. Там беруть часток, там 50 давлять туди зі всього, що можна.
Це дорога між двома великими прифронтовими містами – Покровськом і Костянтинівкою. По суті, вона єдина, хороша, можна їхати в об'їзд, але виходить вдвічі довше. І щоразу, коли ви чуєте, що російські військові наступають на Покровському напрямку, то треба розуміти, що ціль цього наступу – це зовсім не місто Покровськ, яке знаходиться далеко, а саме ось ця дорога. Російські військові ведуть наступ на...
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.